Hi friends, in this video we continue updating companies on my watch list or in my portfolio, and today it is time for a company I do own in my portfolio, namely an international trading business, trading around everything we eat or drink, from tea to spices and all good stuff. The company in question today is Amsterdam Commodities. I will keep this video shorter and for a deeper dive I already have a longer video on my channel Arctic Money, so if you need a deeper dive on Amsterdam Commodities, go and find that from my channel Arctic Money. But now let's get into it and update my valuation on Amsterdam Commodities. Why did I initially invest in Amsterdam Commodities? So what are the things that I like about Amsterdam Commodities? It is a niche operator in food industry, very stable cash flows. It is an investment that should do well in all economic environments, I think. It is a compounder business organically and through strategic acquisitions. It is sufficiently diversified in its products as well as geography. Together with healthy balance sheet, I would like to describe this investment as being lower risk, let's say. So many things to like with Amsterdam Commodities, but one thing I personally don't like, which I didn't bring up in my last video on Amsterdam Commodities, but I'm bringing it up now, is that I am a little bit skeptical that after they acquired Trading Organic, because now 38% of they did the acquisition already a long time ago with Trading Organic, but I didn't touch this subject in my last video. I forgot it for some reason. Nevertheless, now 38% of their portfolio is in organic products and 27% of adjusted EBITDA comes from organic segment. Myself, I'm not a big believer in organic, to be honest. Organic products, as they are more expensive to produce than normal products. With consumers in financial distress, I am afraid that demand for organic can go even lower from here, and it has already seen some turmoil, some bumps due to food price inflation. We all know that is going around in the world. On the other hand, if Amsterdam Commodities is, and I hope they are, strong players in this organic segment, they might be able to grab market share if their poorer competition goes bankrupt, for example. Someone will always want to eat organic also in the future for sure, even though myself I won't be eating that much organic, and I really don't see the added benefit of eating organically when we look things via cost-benefit lenses. To summarize, importance of organic is uncomfortably high for me with Amsterdam Commodities, but as the company has been able to make successful acquisitions in the past too, I am rolling the dice a little bit with this one and trust the management, even though my feelings are negative towards organic segment overall. Going forward from here, I want to trust the management that they know what they're doing with this one. Alright, in the end it all comes down to numbers and valuation still, so let's update my valuation. With expected annual returns of 10%, I believe the company is still a good buy today. With today's stock price, I believe the stock is a good buy under 23 euros even per share, but taking account the margin of safety, I believe it will have very good returns if you're able to buy it under 16 euros per share. I have bought the company twice. First when it went under 20 euros, and then when it hit 17 euros, I added to my position. As I would describe the business, very stable, very strong niche operator in the food industry, and as well as we all need to eat every day, obviously, this presents attractive risk-reward situation already at 18 euros per share currently here. It will not be an Nvidia in your portfolio, but I would be very surprised if I were to lose money long term with this investment, to be honest. Of course, as with any business, there are risks, and so does Amsterdam Commodities have the risks too. And you can actually find all the risks the company presents nicely themselves in their publications. Just to mention the most likely risks to concentrate on, which are the highest likelihood big impact risks on Amsterdam Commodities. Those are liquidity risk with companies' financials, sustainability of their current strategy, so I'm assuming this means the acquisition strategies they have, And finally, climate change presents them a challenge too, because their business are grown on the fields, and if a dry spell hits the fields and stuff, there goes your crop. So this business is highly affected by climate change, so something to keep in mind. Please read more about these risks from Amsterdam Commodities publications yourself, as said. And to conclude, as I said, I feel this is relatively safe investment from the risk perspective and attractively valued already today. I am happy to have it in my portfolio and look opportunities to add. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of Amsterdam Commodities? Maybe if you have identified some additional risks, let us all know in the comment section below. Like the video if you like Amsterdam Commodities, subscribe the channel to show support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!